And the next topic is array indexing. So array indexing is nothing but, consider that I am giving a array of size 5 cross 5. So we are going to check on this particular location what is the value present in the given array. So I am considering the example like a equal to magic of 5. So when you run this code, you can see in the command window a 5 cross 5 matrix is generated. So in that case, I'm going to display the value 17 as the output. So we have to do indexing, and the command is b equal to a is the input variable, and the 17 location is nothing but the first position. So for that you can type as b equal to a of 1. So I am executing this. The command window, you can see the value getting is 17, and in MATLAB, so 17 is the first position, 23 is the second position, 4 is third position. So it will count as per the columns. So first column it will list out all the elements, then the second column, then the third column. So b equal to, suppose you want to find what's the value present in the what's the second element in the given array. So a of 2 is nothing but 23. Okay, so consider the other case. I want to display the first row. So first row of the given matrix. So usually arrays you have to mention like all the rows. I mean it will be like row comma column. So this is the, either you can represent likewise or you can mention individual location. So if you want only one variable, you have to mention likewise. Suppose you want to display 2 or 3 variables, you have to mention in this style. So here in this case we are going to display all the elements from the first row. So you want the first row, it is nothing but a of 1 comma column. You want to list out all the values. So there is a separate option named colon. I'm just executing this. So here you can see the first row, all the values are displayed here. If you want to display the second row, all the elements, you have to mention 2 comma colon. Now you can see the second row is mentioned here. If you want to mention third row, all the columns, you have to declare like 3 comma colon, which will display the third row. So this is the style for displaying the rows. If you want to display only the columns, you have to adjust here. Our next objective is we are going to display the columns alone. So all the rows and first column. So what are the values present in the first column? It is 17, 23, 4, 10, 11. So here you can see 17, 23, 4, 10, 11. So if you want to display the second column alone, means it will be a of colon comma 2. So 24, 5, 6, 12, 18, which is nothing but the second column. So this is the way, this is one of the way to represent the arrays and the columns. Okay, so now I want to get the output like 17 and 24 alone. So in which row they are present? They are present in first row. So starting is 17 and ends it second row. So 1 is to 2 comma, no sorry, it is present in first row alone. So 1 comma And what are the columns? They are starting from first column to second column, so 1 is to 2. Here you can see it is 17, 24. In the next slide, in the next video, we will share many examples based upon this array indexing.